Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Is this like cereal? What is this? No, these are seeds. These are sprouted buckwheat, millet, chia seeds, flax seeds, quinoa. Yep, that's a seed. Hemp and amaranth. What? Mike Foster here. How you doing? And this video is called Why Eat Seeds. And you're like, well, Mike, I'm not a bird, I'm not a rabbit, I'm not a whatever. Who eats seeds? Well, seeds are one of the greatest nutritional, easy to add to your diet foods out there. You can take them, you can add them to your cereals in the morning, you can add them to salads, you can add them to any kind of savory dish, you can add them to a dessert. And they're loaded with antioxidants, loaded with fiber, an easy source of protein. And what do those things do for you? Well, fiber helps you lose weight. Antioxidants help with your heart. They got lots of healthy fats on them. Check these babies out. They can help lower your blood sugar if you eat these. You know, just add them to your everyday food. It's like you won't even know they're in there. Can lower your cholesterol, and they help with blood pressure. Take a close-up look at that. I mean, that's crazy. Here's the deal. If they taste like, you know, not good, let's try some. Here's some seeds. No. I feel like a parakeet. I mean, but they taste great. And you don't have to get this mix. I got this one at Trader Joe's. Here it is. This is a mix that you can get. It gives you all these super seeds, ancient grain blend. I mean, that had all of them. But if you find this one you like flax or hemp or, you know, quinoa, whatever one you want, add them. Eating seeds and adding them to your diet, and guess what? They don't taste that bad. I'm gonna have some more. I'm a little baby bird. Mommy. They're great for you. They're loaded with a bunch of B complex vitamins, phosphorus, iron, calcium. What's calcium? Good for your bones. You don't have to eat cheese to get calcium, potassium, and vitamin E, which is a very important vitamin. These will all help you lose weight, control your diabetes, your blood sugars, help lower your cholesterol and your blood pressure, and live a long, happy life. I guess what? I think I like these. I think I might have some avian history. Why should you eat seeds? All those reasons I told you. Plus, they're pretty tasty. You can have them for a snack, and they're easy to add to your diet. So check it out. For more videos like this, check out my YouTube channel at Live Life 365. Subscribe. Tell people about Live Life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Who the hell would eat that stuff? I would. I could say crap, I could say shit, but tell people about Live Life 365. Wow, those were terrible. I think I'm gonna vomit. No, those are pretty good. You can see them. I'll look at them. Seed. I don't know if they're the sweet babu. That's one thing I'm gonna say, but eat them. Eat your seeds. Baba.